Meaning of each way.
Each way.
Each way.
Each way.
Each way. Each way is a term used in horse racing and other sports betting to describe a type of bet where the chosen selection can either win or place in the race. If the selection wins, the bettor is paid out for both the win and place portions of the bet. If the selection only places, usually finishing in the top 2 to 4, the bettor is paid out only for the place portion of the bet. This type of bet offers a greater chance of winning but lower odds and potential payout compared to a win-only bet.